If your home feels exhausting to keep up with, it might be carrying too much. If your space has to be a living room, a workspace, a dining area, and sometimes all at once, it can start to feel like you're constantly adjusting, moving things, resetting spaces, trying to make everything work. And over time, that becomes exhausting. Not because you're doing something wrong, but because your home is carrying more than it's been set up to support. So today I want to show you how to make a multi-use space feel easier, not by separating everything perfectly, but by supporting the way your home actually functions. In small spaces, it's normal for one area to do multiple jobs. That's not the problem. The problem is when those roles compete for each other. When your workspace takes over your living space, your dining area becomes storage, your relaxation space never fully feels like a place to relax. Your brain never fully settles, and when your space is always shifting, it can start to feel like you never fully land anywhere. This is what I think of as space fatigue. Shift number 1. Stop resetting your space from scratch. A lot of people feel like they're constantly starting over, clearing everything, rearranging, trying to fix the space again. But the goal isn't to reset your space completely every time, it's to reduce how much needs to change. Instead of full resets, create a base setup that works most of the time. Shift number 2. Use flexible pieces to reduce effort. This is where the right furniture makes a huge difference, because in a multi-use home, flexibility matters more than permanence. Things like foldable desks, rolling carts, compact movable tables allow your space to shift without effort. Instead of rearranging everything, you're adjusting one piece. Shift number 3. Contain each function. Even when spaces overlap, their items don't have to. So instead of separating everything physically, contain the function. For example, work items stay in one cart or drawer. Dining items stay near the table. Everyday items stay in their own space. So when you switch roles, you're not dealing with everything at once. Shift number 4. Reduce how much your space has to transform. A lot of burnout comes from how much effort it takes to switch your space from one use to another. So instead of asking, how can this space do everything? Ask, how can this space require less change? That's where ease comes from. Shift number 5. Create small stop points. When everything is always in use, it can feel like there's no place to pause. So create small areas that stay consistent. A chair that stays clear, a surface that isn't constantly shifting. These act as mental anchors, even in a busy space. When your home is supported properly, everything starts to feel lighter, easier, more manageable. If you're looking for pieces designed for real-life small spaces, flexible, multifunctional, and easy to live with, explore our collection at tinyoasisdecor.com, because your home should support you, not the other way around. Until next week, bye-bye.